What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today is actually Mike and my third wedding anniversary. We got married on September 16th of 2020, and I wanted to make him a little snack, so I found this recipe for a cream cheese sausage crescent rolls. Sounds like something is right up his alley, because you got to use spicy stuff. You know, I'm the mild guy, he's the spicy guy. But anyway, I found this recipe, and we're going to make it today. I've never actually tried it before, but the combination of flavors sounds like it would be really, really good. So we're going to make that. And other than that, guys, if you're not subscribers, take a second right now. Just hit that subscribe button. It helps so much. Anyway, guys, here comes the recipe. This is cream cheese sausage crescent rolls. Enjoy. First thing we're going to do is to fry up a pound of sausage. Now, I'm choosing Tennessee Pride, the hot sausage. I could do mild, but Mike likes hot, so we're just going to go do the hot. And we're just going to take that up using our handy-dandy meat chopper thing and fry this up until it's brown and beautiful. All right, it is nice and brown, so what we're going to do is take this off the stove, drain it, and let it cool completely. Okay, guys, we have our 1 pound of breakfast sausage, again, hot, and I use Tennessee Pride. 1 block of cream cheese. We're going to put that in. And we have 1 can of Rotel tomatoes that has been drained. We're going to put that in. Now we want to mix this together. This is our filling. Okay. All right, kids, that's the filling. We have 2 cans of crescent rolls, just like that. We're going to open one up. If I can find the end up, there it is. There we go. And pop it open. The counter's clean. We're going to drop these on just like that. So we want to roll these flat. One of them just ripped apart. Great. We're going to split them into individual triangles and try to patch this one back together. And we will patch this one back together. So, all right, now I want to use a pizza cutter. I'm going to divide this up. Let's get the end of that one off. So you want to divide this in half, just like that, right down the middle. So you have 2 really long triangles. I'm going to do 4 rolls or 8 rolls at a time. Okay. So we've got our So we have our filling. We're going to take a scoop about that size. That's about a healthy tablespoon. Put a glop right on the end, just like that. And roll this up around it. Just like that. And we're going to put those on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Again, just like that. Okay, we have finished our first tray, again, parchment lined baking sheet. These are going to go into a 375-degree oven for about 15 minutes. There you go, guys, straight out of the oven. These actually cook for about 16 minutes. You want to get the good golden brown. This filling kind of oozed out on a few of them, but not all of them. So we're going to let them cool just a tad, and we're going to taste them. We do want to serve them warm. All right, we're going to lift them off and put them on our serving plate. They're still warm. They did cool just a hair, though. They do look really pretty. All right, guys, it is taste time. First of all, we got to smell. You smell the sausage and the cream cheese, and the crescent rolls smell so good. Mmm. Oh, y'all, that's good. They're still really hot on the inside, so see the steam coming out. I don't know if you can or not. Anyway, the hot sausage is really good. It's not too spicy. It's got a little kick to it, but not crazy. And you know, it's probably, if you like spicy, it's probably not going to be spicy enough. You could definitely add the hot Rotels. For me, I'm a wimp with this stuff. It's spicy enough for me. That combination of flavors is excellent, guys. Something definitely, if you ever have to entertain, something you could throw together, put it in the fridge, put it in the oven right before the party. Boom, you got a sweet, sweet little appetizer. So these guys are my cream cheese sausage crescent rolls. If you like them, if you give them a try, make sure you put your comments down below. I'd love to know how it goes for you. If you have any tips or ideas for it, put that down below. Questions, comments, concerns, also down below. If you're not a subscriber, take a second, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Also, enable notifications because we put out new videos all the time. You guys have a great week. Be safe.